Welcome back to the channel. If you love the idea of cook and entertain under the open sky, this video is for you. Today, drive into outdoor kitchen design idea for smart patio step up to full luxury outdoor cook space. Whether your plans a choosy weekend barbecue or a stream backyard chief paradise, those ideas will inspire your dream design. Your favorite cook hit that like button and let's get starting. An outdoor kitchen is just a trending. It's explored for your living space. It's beyond people to gathering. Connect your with natural and make dining at home feel like a minimize the best design, balanced style, functional and comfort. Start by ask yourself how do you plan to use your space? Well, it's be a choosy family dining, big mount, or playful outdoor breakfast. Your answer will guest the layout, material, and applications your choice. It's your host, often well valve space set the guest and green step up. If you make everything on embracing soft light, smart and choosy area. The layout is the backbone of your outdoor kitchen. The three more layout and L shape, U shape and lines. An L shape layout often explored field, cook and dining area, valve or fence. U-shaped design gave you more space and story idea for long backyard step up. and a line of sticky light layout is perfect for smart patio. Keep everything streamlined and effective. Do forget place your gallery without easy research. Other days smoke movement look just like into a perfect kitchen. Outdoor kitchen material that without the element. Outdoor kitchen for sun, rain, and temperament choice for material must be those yard beautiful. Steam light in a top choice. Regulate easy to clean and suffocation. More a natural touch. Use stone connective temperament which the both and style. If you like love a rustic, vibrant, reclaimed wood finish can add warmth and charm. When select full, go for non-ship trial and select connective. Smoking into tile then can be warm. Choose material that make your home interior. This make the trend indoor and outdoor seamless balance. Application and functional. Now come the fun, elegant. Start with a high quality gallery, the heart of the most outdoor kitchen. Gas gallery well give that feel everyone love. If you want what style to go the head gallery that often both other add a mix feel look for cook sleep for quality cleanup and story banner